Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Your favorite part of the day, another rigged recap. It is July 9th, 2025, and we got some really good price action today. Now, the middle, absolutely terrible. 1045 to 1400, you're sitting at the blue line. But look at what the max gain is. Beautiful. Let's look at the end of day return. Tons and tons of alerts returning 100%, 200%, buying and holding till the very end. Let's get into it. We're looking at QQQ. This is why option flow is so important. So we open and this thing just flies, like absolutely friggin' flies. 1, 2, 3 strikes. But what you'll notice is once we get up here and you're at strike 3, bear, you're not getting any bulls coming in until the pullback. That's telling us, hey, this might be the intraday top. It might be the high, and that's what happened, right? They take this thing, nuke it to the blue, and then this is the important part. So when we look at the strategy, it says bulls be out of +2 or after 1+ strike nuke. It has every opportunity to break below this 553 strike here, but we don't do it, right? We don't do it the entire time from, I guess they try it first here at 11 all the way until, what is that? From 11 until 1355. That's crazy. You're just ping-ponging, right? Bouncing off of this 554 strike and 555. But if you're taking a bull at the blue anytime here, absolutely crush it, because the market does what the market loves to do, which is crush as many people as possible. Everyone thinks all-time highs, we're going back down, but boom. SPY, a little bit different. Let's just turn on edge alerts only. Come up, what is this, +1.5. You get the same nuke. They take it a little bit lower. They test this -2, 621 strike that you see here. But once again, from then on, you're getting ping pong between 622 and the blue line, essentially. 622 and the blue line, okay? Flow, fairly mixed, right? Bulls and bears. Edge, last 30 days, not great. Last 30 days, a little bit better. But when you see this mixed flow, and when you see this ping pong, all you want to do is chase the breakout. Whatever way this thing ends up going, if it goes down, you wait for a pullback, take the nuke, but we end up going right back to +1. Bulls held here. I mean, if you bought and held this until the end of the session, 100% plus. Not the most incredible, but it's good when we see a lot of alerts win, because from 1400 on, you're getting consistent up move. One thing we talked about earlier today, or at least we mentioned it in the Discord, what happens when you're here, right? The win rate is pretty good. It's an up move. The important thing is you want to wait until this pulls back to the strike. And we'll cut out and show you exactly what we mean on the time frame, just on TradingView. But like the simple part of using rigged, you see the alert indicates, hey, it's bullish. We want to follow it, but we want to wait for that pullback under the strike or as close to it as possible. You were able to buy right around 555, and then you get a cool move, one strike or $1 higher. So here we are, just looking at QQQ. We're on the 1-minute chart. This alert comes in 1408, which is right here, okay? So that comes in. The first thing you do is notice, hey, we've just moved up significantly, right? In the last couple of minutes, right to 1408, you've moved up $1.36, 1.36 strikes. The only thing you need to be thinking is, hey, love this, want to follow the move, but you're looking to take it in here. Want to pull back close to the strike. And now you can see this is 14.16 to 14.21. 5 minutes, you have an opportunity to enter close to the strike. And if you're doing that, just buying and holding, that's a 15.50 nuke. We get to the end of the session, it's $1.43. Hour 43 minutes. But honestly, end of the day, trading 0 DTE, you're taking this here, or at the very least, taking it here, getting that full dollar in just over 1 hour. One strike, you can't beat it. That's using the system, people, and that's how you win more trades. The important lessons for today: if it's an up move, you spend all this time, it has every opportunity to break lower. It's normally going to pump, and that's exactly what happened today. And it's the same thing on Q, a little bit of bigger range, right? Because you are bouncing from 554 to 555. But, even if you're in these trades short, like a short time frame, buying this at the blue line, 85 cents, that's an awesome move. Take it at the blue line again when it can't break this 554 strike. That's a God tier entry. Beautiful day. Follow the system and win. It says lean bullish. You can't beat that.